Join me as I put Sony's LinkBuds to the test and see if they really live up to the hype of changing the game for open earbuds. In this video, you'll explore Sony's innovative LinkBuds, which are open earbuds that promise a unique listening experience. When it comes to listening to music on the go, we've all been there, stuck between choosing earbuds that fully immerse us in sound, or ones that let in enough ambient noise to keep us aware of our surroundings. It's a tough call, because let's face it, we want to enjoy our tunes, but we also need to stay safe and connected to the world around us. But what if I told you there's a way to get the best of both worlds? That's exactly what Sony's LinkBuds claim to offer, a listening experience that's both immersive and aware. But can they really deliver on this promise? For years, earbud manufacturers have been trying to crack the code of creating the perfect balance between sound quality and situational awareness. And it's not an easy task, because these two goals seem to be mutually exclusive. You either get great sound or you get awareness, but you can't have both, or can you? Sony's LinkBuds are designed to defy this conventional wisdom. They're open earbuds that use a unique design to let in ambient noise while still delivering great sound quality. But how do they do it? First of all, the LinkBuds have a sleek and minimalist design that's both stylish and functional. They're incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them perfect for long listening sessions. But what really sets them apart is their open ring design, which allows for ventilation and airflow while still directing sound into your ear. When it comes to sound quality, the LinkBuds deliver in a big way. They use an advanced driver unit that's specifically designed to produce clear and detailed sound, even at higher volumes. And because they're open earbuds, they don't suffer from the same sound isolation issues that plague closed-back earbuds. But the real standout feature of the LinkBuds is their ability to seamlessly integrate into your daily life. They use advanced noise reduction technology to amplify the sounds you want to hear, like voices or music, while diminishing background noise. This means you can listen to your favorite tunes while still being aware of your surroundings. The implications of this technology are huge. Imagine being able to listen to music on your daily commute without worrying about missing your stop, or being able to enjoy your favorite podcast while still being aware of the world around you. The LinkBuds make it all possible. So what's the verdict? Are the LinkBuds really a game changer in the world of open earbuds? In my opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. They offer a unique listening experience that's both immersive and aware, and their advanced technology and sleek design make them a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their audio game. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the LinkBuds in the comments below. Have you tried them out? What do you think of this new technology? Let me know, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tech insights and reviews.